In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Dogecoin on Kraken. So this is super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. The first thing is log into your Kraken account. This will also work on your phone. So if you're on the app, don't worry, it's actually exactly the same. So what you want to do, if you logged in, go to your account and then go to prices. So when you hit prices, you can see all the available cryptocurrencies on Kraken that you can buy. So you want to find Dogecoin. It's the number 5 right now. You want to hit it and then you can see the chart from here. Go ahead and hit buy/sell. And by default this will bring you over to sell, but you want to go to buy and then enter in the amount you want to buy. So for example 10 euros, you can buy it in Dogecoin. So I have to get verified to deposit euros, but if you have, enter in the amount of euros or dollars or any currency you're using, depends on where you live, and then you can buy Dogecoin and it will be deposited in your account within seconds. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.